I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that your Chromebook actually outputs video over the port you plan to use. Check the port type now. USB-C can carry HDMI with alt mode, while older models need a dedicated HDMI port or an adapter. Once done, pick the correct cable or a powered active adapter if necessary. Plug in power to both devices and set the external screen to the matching input. Make sure your Chromebook is awake and not in power-saving mode before proceeding. Next, connect the cable or adapter and wait a few seconds for the Chromebook to detect the monitor. If it does not appear automatically, open Settings, go to Device, then Displays, and scan for displays. Choose whether to mirror the Chromebook or extend the desktop. Mirror copies the screen, extend gives you more workspace. Also set resolution and orientation so elements appear sharp. If text is too small, increase scaling. If things are off, reposition displays to match physical layout. Finally, verify audio routing if you want sound over the external display by selecting HDMI as the output in sound settings. Once configured, test video and audio playback to confirm everything works. If the screen stays blank, reseat the cable and try another HDMI input or a different cable. Reboot both devices and check for pending Chrome OS updates. If problems persist, swap the adapter to isolate hardware issues, because adapters are frequently the single point of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.